How emotionally intelligent are you? Emotional intelligence starts with self-reflection, and this quiz is your first step toward uncovering your true emotional quotient. So dive into this exciting personality test to discover where you fall on the emotional intelligence spectrum. This fun and interactive test will explore how in tune you are with your emotions and others through 10 fun scenarios and visual challenges. You'll answer 10 simple questions featuring real-life scenarios and vivid visuals to challenge your thinking. Each choice will provide insight into your emotional traits. Be honest with yourself. Answer each question based on who you really are, not who you think you should be. Each choice has a score, so grab a pen and paper to tally them up, or you may add up your score mentally instead. Match your total score to one of the 5 categories and find out what it says about you. By the end, you'll receive a fun, personalized, meaningful insights about your emotional strengths and areas for improvement to help you better understand yourself and grow. Also, after the EQ type revelations, stay tuned for bonus information on the 5 elements that define emotional intelligence and how to increase your EQ. Ready? Let's get started. How often do you reflect on your emotions and actions? Need more time? Just hit pause. Which object do you feel represents your personality best? Someone points out a mistake in your work. How do you react? Pause the video to reflect or decide. Which picture or scene resonates most with you? Two of your friends are fighting, so you take your time. Pause if you need to. Which fictional character do you feel most connected to? When you are facing an unpleasant task, you tend to Which song best reflects your outlook on life? Which of the following statements best describes you? Feel free to pause for more time. Which action do you find most relatable? Now add up your points. One more time, simply pause the video here. Are you ready to see your results? Alright, let's go. For 100 to 170 points, your EQ type is resilient, which means you're tough and adaptable. You have an exceptional ability to bounce back from challenges, staying positive and focused even in the face of adversity. Your strength inspires others and shows that setbacks are just stepping stones to success. Continue to nurture your resilience by embracing change and seeking out opportunities for personal growth. Reflect on your journey and celebrate how far you've come. It's a testament to your determination and emotional strength. Remember, resilience isn't just about enduring, it's about thriving. You are unstoppable. For 180 to 260 points, your EQ type is detached, which reveals you value independence and logic. You tend to maintain emotional distance, which helps you stay composed and unaffected by external drama. This detachment can be a strength when navigating stressful situations, as you're less likely to be overwhelmed by emotions. While your ability to stay detached can be helpful, consider opening yourself up to understanding and expressing emotions more fully. Practice active listening and try sharing your feelings with trusted individuals. It's a great way to build deeper relationships. Remember, vulnerability isn't a weakness. It's a bridge to stronger connections and personal growth. For 270 to 350 points, your EQ type is logical, which shows your analytical mind is your superpower. Your analytical mindset allows you to approach situations with clarity and objectivity. You excel at problem solving and making decisions that are both practical and effective. People value your rational perspective, especially during emotionally charged moments. While your logic is a strength, try to tune into the emotional undertones of situations. Cultivating empathy will help you deepen connections and better understand the perspectives of others. Celebrate your ability to bring order to chaos, and remember that blending heart with mind is a journey worth exploring. For 360 to 440 points, your EQ type is balanced, which implies you've mastered the art of harmony. You've achieved a harmonious blend of emotional awareness and logical reasoning. This balance allows you to make thoughtful decisions, navigate challenges gracefully, and maintain healthy relationships. You are a steady anchor in both calm and stormy waters. Embrace your ability to adapt to different situations while staying true to yourself. Keep honing your skills by practicing mindfulness and active listening. They'll enhance your ability to stay grounded and connected. Be proud of your well-rounded emotional intelligence. It's a superpower in today's fast-paced world. For more than 440 points, your EQ type is empathic, which signifies you have a heart of gold. You are deeply in tune with the emotions of others, and your ability to empathize makes you a beacon of support and understanding. Your natural compassion builds strong relationships and creates a safe space for people to open up to you. Keep shining your light and spreading kindness. While your empathy is a gift, remember to set healthy boundaries to protect your own emotional well-being. Self-care isn't selfish. It ensures you can continue to be there for others without feeling drained. Celebrate your incredible capacity to connect with others and know that it's a rare and beautiful trait. Congratulations on discovering your emotional intelligence type. Now let's dive into what truly defines emotional intelligence and how you can continue to develop it. Psychologist Daniel Goleman, a pioneer in this field, identified 5 key elements that make up emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. This is about understanding your emotions, recognizing their impact, and being honest about your strengths and weaknesses. 2. Self-regulation. The ability to control your impulses, stay calm under pressure, and adapt to changing circumstances. 3. Motivation. This goes beyond external rewards. It's your inner drive to achieve goals and persevere through challenges. 4. Empathy. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others, which helps you build deeper connections and offer meaningful support. 5. Social skills. Your ability to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and foster positive relationships. Emotional intelligence isn't just about who you are today. It's about who you can become. Here's how you can increase your EQ. Pause before reacting. In stressful situations, take a moment to breathe and think. This helps you respond thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Practice empathy. Make an effort to truly listen to others. Ask yourself, how would I feel in their situation? Build self-awareness. Keep a journal of your emotions. Reflect on what triggers them and how you handle them. Develop social skills. Engage in conversations with the goal of understanding, not just responding. Strong communication is key to emotional intelligence. Embrace feedback. Whether positive or constructive, feedback is a gift. Use it to grow rather than taking it personally. High EQ isn't just about being calm during a crisis or resolving conflicts. It's a toolkit for life. It helps you build stronger relationships, navigate tough situations with resilience, and inspire trust and cooperation in others. Now that you have a deeper understanding of your EQ, it's time to take it to the next level. Emotional intelligence plays a huge role in leadership. Whether you're guiding a team, inspiring others, or simply navigating life with confidence. If you're ready to unlock your full potential as a leader, we got the perfect next step for you. Check out our video, Are You Leading All Wrong? Unlock your true leadership persona today. This is where you'll learn how to align your EQ strengths with your unique leadership style. Take charge like never before. Don't miss out on discovering what kind of leader you're truly meant to be. Click the link on your screen or find it in the description below. But before you do, hit subscribe so TriviaTrek TrendZ becomes your go-to source for tests, tips, and fascinating facts. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. You won't want to miss the exciting content we've got coming your way. Let's explore our potential together. See you on the next video. Keep the challenge going. Click the video on the right or on the left to enjoy more great videos.